Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
Hello, sir. Hello,
Hi.
sir.
So, Ashish, where are you from?
From Delhi, sir.
Always lived in Delhi?
Yes, born and raised.
So, if you are selected in XLRI, what subject do you think you will be taking up?
Well, I haven't fixated on a subject yet, but I think if I had to, it would be marketing and economics.
So, how did you develop this interest in marketing and economics?
As far as marketing is concerned, I learned about the various concepts of marketing back in the second year of college when I started my own website.
Okay, your own website. Tell me a little about that.
It was a content website. I used to write about stuff that interested me like travel, facts, fitness. I learned a lot about the various concepts of marketing when I monetized it, like SEO, backlink generation, and social media marketing. But my knowledge on these topics was quite patchy, hence this inclination towards marketing.
So do you still write on it?
No, I don't.
Why not?
As I said, my knowledge on these concepts was quite patchy, and honestly, being a student in college, it was a little heavy on my pockets to maintain the website and renew the domain name.
Okay. So tell me, give me one scenario where you faced a challenge in Maruti.
So while at Maruti, I was assigned the task to validate and improve the WIS. When I went through it, I found out that the process mentioned was safe but not ergonomically feasible, and the one which led to fatigue, and the one being followed by the operator, though ergonomically feasible, was not safe. So I recommended that we install a door carrier to implement it.
So what was the challenge in that?
Well, I joined as a trainee, so being a trainee, my recommendations weren't taken very seriously because I'd been there only for a few months. Getting my recommendations to the top management was a challenge at first.
So how did you overcome that?
All I did was present my views in a coherent manner with all the proofs and presented a valid argument. Then I also took my manager to the site to see the quality and safety hazards that entail the current process. Ultimately, my recommendation was implemented.
Do you like your manager?
Yes, sir, he is a really good person and a really good manager. Work at Maruti requires a lot of operating knowledge, which you gain only after working there for quite some time. But he supported me throughout the process, and I think that helped me perform well.
What if he takes a decision that he thinks is good, but you think it's crazy and it'll harm the reputation of the company? What will you do?
Well, I would give him the benefit of the doubt because he has been there much longer than I have, and he understands the process much better than I do.
So after analyzing the decision that he's made and you still feel that the decision is absurd, then what will you do?
In that case, I would present my argument to him with all the facts and proofs why I think it is wrong and not the best decision to take. Even then, if it does not work out in my favor, I think Maruti has a foolproof system wherein any major decisions goes through a number of seniors before any decision is made and any issues are ironed out. But I would do everything in my own capacity.
Okay, so any campus placements last year?
Yes, I got placed at Infosys.
So, why did you choose Maruti over Infosys?
Well, the job at Maruti was more in line with what I studied at college, and it allowed me to implement what I studied theoretically.
Okay, so what were your learnings in Maruti?
At Maruti, one of the things I learned was discipline. Everyone has to punch their card at 9 a.m. sharp. A minute late and you lose half a day's attendance. They follow the Japanese doctrine of on time is late and early is on time at Maruti. Also, Maruti believes in equality. Everyone, right from the operator to the managing director, eat food in the same canteen and everyone wears the same uniform.
Two words that you said during your answers. The first one was ergonomics. The right word used?
Yes, sir. As the task dealt with the operator and the work done by him, ergonomics was an apt word in that situation. Ergonomics is the science of refining the design of products to optimize them for human use. Computers and related products such as desks, chairs are frequently the focus of ergonomic design. People use these products for extended periods of time, such as a typical workday. And if these products are poorly designed or improperly adjusted for human use, the person using them may suffer unnecessary fatigue, stress, or even an injury.
So how do you analyze if the employees of your department are working or not?
So at Maruti, the KRAs of employees include a productivity improvement measure. So we can see how the production at line has been affected.
Anything else?
We can also look at the rejection reduction in the line where the person is stationed and responsible for proper production facilitation.
Anything else?
Not that anything I can think of, sir.
Okay, so if you have to buy 10 sensors and it costs you 10 lakh, do you think it's a good buy?
I cannot comment on that until I do a cost benefit analysis of the same.
So the second word, monetize, what does that mean?
Well, when something is monetized, that means it generates income. I monetized my website to generate income even though it was significantly low. But the main reason I did that was to garner user data, their interaction with the web platform and with the advertisements.
So was it really monetized?
I see your point here, sir, but I still believe the adverts were inherently there to generate income, so yes, it was monetized.
Okay, Ashish, I think that's about it. Do you have anything to add? Alright, all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.